All right, so now we're gonna do an MT4 walkthrough. I know I'm not a hand model, so don't judge me, don't laugh, don't make fun of me, but let's just dive into it and pay attention to my phone screen. So let's show you how to get the MT4 app. So all you're gonna do is go over to your app store, whether it's Android or iPhone, and type in MT4. As you can see, there is a MetaTrader 5. What we're going to be using is actually MT4, as you can see right here. I've already downloaded it previously because it's obviously what I've been trading on. I deleted it for this video purpose, just to walk you through. So you click on MT4, you can kind of learn more about it, see everything, see all the screenshots they offer. All you got to do is click download. Now, this is where we're going to wait for it to download. It'll download pretty fast, and it's already had it. You're going to click open. It's going to instantly take you to the app. Now a notification is going to come up that says MT4 or MetaTrader 4, would you like to send notifications? You're going to allow that, and then this is what the app looks like. So it pops up like this. The first thing that you're going to want to do is click advanced. Now the reason we do advanced is, just looking at it, is you have your pairs over here. You can see more in depth on the price, the pips and the pipettes as the little numbers, and then the biggest thing is look at the spread. On the simple, you cannot see the spread or anything like that. Here you can see the spread. Obviously we know the spread makes up difference for how much we can make in the trades, and you can easily see that right here. So you're going to want to click advanced. Now if you're not, make sure you're just following along with me on this video. If you're watching this video on your phone, then you're gonna have to do this after, and just make sure you kind of follow along with what I did. But if you're watching this on the computer, then go ahead and download MetaTrader 4 and walk through this video with me. So on the left top right here, we can see the list of pairs we have. So we can also go to this pencil icon. If we don't want these pairs, we can come in here and delete them. Easy as that. Now you click the pencil icon again. If you want to come in and add pairs you do not see, you go to that plus icon on the top right, and then let's just add a couple random ones, just like that. And then as you can see, we just added all those pairs on there. Remember, you can always add more and delete more if you don't have them, and they most likely won't show up. Now here we have the charts. This is what it'll look like when you first get it. I personally do not like the look, the color, the feel of this chart. So what I suggest you do, you don't have to do this, is come over here, you go to charts, and remember, this is obviously a demo because I just downloaded the account and walking through this video. Now I'll show you how to add a new account and how to add your live account when you do go live, but I just created this MT4 app and downloaded it, so that's why we're showing like that. So next, to change your colors, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings here. You're going to go to charts. You're going to go to colors. You're going to go to custom. Now you're going to foreground. Keep it white if you want it. Grid, I'm going to keep that. Bar up, what I'm going to do is change it to the colors I want. You can change it to whatever you want. You're going to want your bull candle and your bar candle the exact same color. Your bar down, I change it to white. My bear candle changed to white. My line chart, I keep green, volumes green. Bid price line, I actually make this like a little lighter blue. Ask price line, I keep more of a orangish, yellowish, brownish, whatever you want to call it. Trade levels green, stop levels red. So now let's jump over to the cards and see what it looks like. Bang, so we have that. That looks a lot cleaner. Remember, you can come in here, you can add your trade levels and add ask price line. Make sure you go ahead and do that as well. And if you want to change the bar, you can do that. If you want to change the candlesticks, if you want to change just to a line chart, as you can see, now we have a line chart. Candlesticks is what you'd want. I'm going to go in here and actually change this color real quick. It's a little gross looking. So there we have it. I just changed it. As you can see, you can click on the chart and it's going to pull up a screen that shows what pair you're on. You can trade it. You can add indicators, objects, or settings. So if you want to go to settings, it'll directly take you back to that page we were just at. If you want to click on it again, go to trade. If you click on trade, now we have our order types. You buy limit, buy stop, sell stop, or instant execution. Remember, most of the time you'll most likely be doing instant execution, which is executing the trade right away and ordering it in. Here, we have our lot sizes. So remember, it shows up as this. So this isn't a 10 cents or 1 cent per pip. Let it focus real quick. Sorry about that. This is 10 cents per pip, not 1 cent. If you want to change your lot size to something like that, now this is $5 per pip since it's 0.50. If you want to change it to this, so $10 per pip. You can set your stop loss, your take profit, deviation, buy, sell. Now it's not going to let me enter the trade right now because the markets are closed. You'll get a little notification. Sometimes it'll take longer since the market is closed. Obviously it tells me that. Now during the market, when it's open, you can do all of that. Now looking at the charts, we have our time frames up here in this corner right here. We can change to the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 10 minute, the 5 minute. Let it focus again, sorry about that. And then kind of go from there. How you change your time frames is all right up in this corner. Let it focus. So if you want to go to your 30 minute, 1 hour, your 5 minute, 15 minute, whatever time frame you want to go to, you switch to right here and it'll switch the chart. You can also click trade and it'll take you back up to that. You can click this button right here and it just kind of gives you a move around. Click F and this is where it pulls up to where you can add indicators. Right now we have the RSI set on there. So you can come in here and set your periods, your open, your close, your levels, your style, what color you want, all of that type of stuff. You can come in here. So as you can see, that's down here. Now you can also go back to the F and then you can click on relative, and then if you want, you can delete it. So if you don't want it on your chart, you just do that. See, now it's gone. So you can also come back to it, go to the F. If you want to add main windows, say, let's go add Bollinger Bands to it. So now we can see we have our Bollinger Bands on the chart. Now, if we want to get rid of that, like I said, go back to the F, delete. You can change all the colors, all of that. Anytime you're adding indicators, you'll all see it all in that little F right here. Now you can add objects, whether it's horizontal lines, trend by angle, circle, arrow, fibs, all these different things you can all add right through this button, and that's just objects and all that. Here's where you can see trade. Now it's a demo, obviously, since I just downloaded the app. So you'll see all of that. You'll see the trades that you've opened, and then you can go to trade history. You can see your day, your week, your month, or you can do a custom. Now going back to here, like I said, I have a demo. So you can see that it's a demo account. So I can actually go and add a new account. So you can open a demo account. If you want to open a brand new demo account directly from the app, I use KOT. And then you just set your phone number, I'm going to blur this out real quick. Now you can come in here and change your leverage, change your starting balance, and then you click register. And then it'll give you the login, the password, all that, and you just click done. And as you can see, I just got a new demo account. So you can add new accounts, you can do that. When you go to add a live account, you're gonna go straight here, log into an existing account, and let me grab my password real quick and then I'll start the video back. When you create a live account, that broker is gonna send you a login credentials email where it gives you your login and your password for the new live account. So what you're gonna do is go to the email when you get it. I'm gonna block out mine because obviously it's my personal live account. Let me take it off screen real quick. And then it'll give you the information, the account number, the password, and what you're gonna do is copy those numbers. So let's do that right now. I'm gonna take it off the screen, out of the video screen, so you don't get my own password or account number. And what you do is go back to the app, and my broker, you type in your broker, you click the live version. I'm gonna enter my password, and you can just paste it, and then let me go back and get my, okay, I got it. I'm probably gonna put a block over this video just because it's my password and it's all that. Make sure you click save, then you sign in. So you can see we have the live. This is my actual live account, and you can see that by going right there. And then I'm probably gonna block this out. Sorry if I do. It's my live account, and it shows you your reel. So obviously, if you're going here, here's the difference. You see demo, see live. And that's gonna be it for MT4. If you have any questions, feel free to ask anytime.